Understanding Inert Gas Welding, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's learning session. Today, we are going to delve into a fascinating topic in the world of engineering and technology: inert gas welding. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious about this subject, this video is designed to help you understand what inert gas welding is, how it works, and why it's important. So, let's embark on this educational journey together. Inert gas welding is a type of welding process that involves the use of gases which do not react with other substances. These gases are called inert gases. The most common inert gases used in welding are argon and helium. This process is used to create strong, high-quality welds in a variety of metals. Unlike traditional welding, inert gas welding provides better control over the weld and reduces the risk of contamination. Inert gas welding works by creating an electric arc between a metal electrode and the metal workpiece. This arc generates intense heat, melting the metals and allowing them to fuse together. During this process, an inert gas is continuously supplied to the welding area. This gas shields the weld from atmospheric gases, such as oxygen and nitrogen, which can cause weld defects and weaken the weld. There are two main types of inert gas welding. 1. TIG, tungsten inert gas welding. This method uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode. It's known for its precision and is often used for thin materials and intricate welds. 2. MIG, metal inert gas welding. In MIG welding, a continuously fed consumable wire acts as the electrode. It's faster than TIG welding and is commonly used in industrial settings. Inert gas welding is used in various industries due to its versatility and high-quality results. Some common applications include aerospace and automotive industries for welding critical parts, construction of pipelines and building structures, fabrication of metal artworks and intricate designs. Advantages: produces cleaner and stronger welds, offers better control over the welding process, reduces oxidation and contamination. Challenges: requires skilled operators, can be more expensive due to the cost of inert gases, limited to certain types of metals. I hope this video has given you a clear and comprehensive understanding of inert gas welding. This process, with its unique features and applications, plays a crucial role in many modern industries. Whether you're learning English or exploring engineering concepts, understanding inert gas welding can be both intriguing and beneficial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this session informative and engaging.